Here's something to think about. The Love Boat had its last voyage, and sadly enough, it ended in a tragedy. So I want to show you, this is from, I believe, CNN. Love Boat's last voyage ends in tragedy. So apparently there were two guys that were killed by toxic fumes on the Love Boat. So it's a sad tragedy. But you know, not long ago, I heard someone mention that our first, a bunch of wars we got involved in were all started after ships being sunk. So World War I, the Lusitania was sunk, and that got us drawn into World War I during Woodrow Wilson's presidency. And then in 1941, under Franklin Delano Roosevelt, Pearl Harbor was attacked, and our ships were sunk, the Arizona, to name one of them. So that got us into World War II. And a few years later, the USS Liberty was sunk, or hit with a torpedo, or bombed, or whatever it was. It was attacked in Vietnam, and that got us going with the Vietnam War. That's how that started. So, this is a tragedy, because, this was the Love Boat. It was a television show called The Love Boat. And you'd always hook up. If you were on the Love Boat, you'd always hook up. No matter how bad you were. So I just thought I would think about that, and hope you think about it also.
We're expecting you, and love.
All these ships going down, and now the Love Boat.
Let it flow.
Something to think about.
It floats back to you. Love boat. Soon we'll be making another run.
If that's not a sign of the times, the end of the Love Boat ends in tragedy. Can't make this stuff up. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching.